Here's a quick video on how to clean your Entrust Sigma EM1 printer. Probably just applies to the EM1, so it's a little tricky to get at. So on my machine I go to here, then devices and printers. So I'll right click on this blue thing called Blue Cod, which is an EM1 printer, or similar, and click on that, and then card counts, and then clean printer. Now this is where you need all the correct details, so I can log in. I can go up here, and I can watch the video on how to clean my printer. Just going to download that. I'll send it to someone else to have a look at. And that's all you need to do. Cheers.